चले तो कट ही जाएगा सफर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता.
So here there is there is a good news for you guys, is that we are going on another trip, so let's go. Chalo
to Rajasthan. चलो चलो चलो.
Wow guys, it's my first experience to see sleepers bus, because I have not seen them in Iran, so it's the first time that I have seen them in India.
गाइस, दिल्ली टू जयपुर ऑन द वे. ये बस एक बहुत बड़े पेट्रोल पंप पे पेट्रोल भरवाने के लिए रुकी है. महारानी ट्रेवल्स की ये बस है और बहुत ही बम्पी राइड है. मतलब पीछे की सीट्स लेने की गलती आप बिल्कुल मत करना. एक्चुअली मैंने ये सोचा था कि पहाड़ों में पीछे की सीट्स अगर लेंगे तो प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि बस गोल गोल घूमती है तो प्रॉब्लम होती है. बट प्लेन्स में भी जिस तरह की ये बस है, जो पीछे का वो पोर्शन है वो पूरा का पूरा बम्पी है और कंफर्टेबल राइड नहीं बोलूँगा मैं इसको. प्लस पुरानी बस है अंदर से और बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर भी नहीं है. जब ये कश्मीरी गेट मेट्रो स्टेशन पे पहुंची थी तो कश्मीरी गेट मेट्रो स्टेशन पे आके खड़े हुए हैं, भीड़ लगी हुई है और अंदर एंट्री नहीं कर रहे. मतलब बहुत स्मूथ एंट्री नहीं हो रही थी प्रोफेशनल वे में. और बस पुरानी है, एज आई सेड. एसी ठीक ठाक काम कर रहा है, बट यू नो जो पानी की बोतल रखने का फ्लैप होता है वो नहीं है, वो मिसिंग है. सबके टूटे हुए हैं. बसेस के नंबर मैनुअली लिखे हुए हैं, कन्फ्यूजन है. तो और हाँ, एक चीज़ और, अभी तक 2:30 बज गए हैं रात के. 11:30 बजे से बस स्टार्ट हुई थी कश्मीरी गेट पे. पानी की बोतल नहीं दी है किसी को भी, और अगर कोई जाके मांग रहा है पानी की बोतल तब जाके उन्होंने दी है. शायद अब इस पेट्रोल पंप के ब्रेक के बाद पानी की बोतल ऑफ़र करेंगे ये. चार्जिंग के लिए मैंने फ़ोन लगाया तो चार्जिंग भी वर्क नहीं कर रही है. ये है आपका बस नंबर AR01 S3435 भारत बेंज की बस है, महारानी ट्रेवल्स की, दिल्ली टू जयपुर. बाकी डेस्टिनेशन पे तो खैर पहुंचा ही देगी, बट मुझे लगा कि ये चीज़ें शेयर करना ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स जो हैं, अभी बस redbus.com, abhibus.com, जब ये लिस्ट करते हैं तो एक स्टैंडर्ड, एक क्वालिटी, एक प्रोफेशनलिज्म होना चाहिए वहाँ पर भी, आई बिलीव. अगर ये ऐप्स इतना ज़्यादा, तो कुल मिला के नॉट अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद दिस बस. So did you see that tall guy?
Yes.
So Rajasthani people are sometimes very thin. They are not fat at all, and they are tall, right? And they are all vegetarian mostly. All of them literally, they are vegetarian. That is one observation. Another observation about the dresses of women.
Yes.
Colorful dresses of women. So you will see.
They were not sari or suit.
Yes, they were not sari or suit. Yes, good
They were
observation.
another dress.
You will see when we move from here.
Wow.
Actually, we arrived here too early, and now we don't know what to do.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
Directly.
of the talking.
Directly go to the hotel or where? Okay.
We go to hotel, we put
Right.
our things,
And
and
then-
let's start the day.
Right. So today maybe we are planning for Hawa Mahal
Moment.
and Amir Fort, the old traditional bazaar here. Yes.
Close to each other, we need to do.
Yes. Old Jaipur.
Okay.
Old Jaipur.
Hello?
Chalo. So it was just nearly 1 kilometer the hotel from where the bus dropped us at Sindhi Camp bus station, and we decided to walk instead of taking auto or cab, just to walk less than 1 kilometer to see how this city wakes up. And her first observation was, wow, it is just like Delhi, because it was so noisy. The buses were honking like this, like this, honking. Welcome. So in this manner, it was exactly like Delhi for her.
Right.
And the home, because it was a bus station area, main bus station of the city, right? Generally crowded with a lot of homeless people and stuff like that. So people were sleeping on the road. So she is saying, wow, it is poor. I think this city is more poor, more poor. Okay, and then we passed on from a shortcut in the street. It was not like as big street as this street. So she was like, it's not clean here. So completely, I'm sharing as it is, from her eyes what she felt.
Right.
Now finally the roads are wider, the roads are, clean. And she said, I'm not getting the Rajasthan vibe. I thought that it must be so clean and like a pink city, colorful city.
Colorful city, completely
Yeah.
colorful. I was just
You will-
waiting for
you will-
see Rajasthan.
You will see that in the daytime. It was the bus station area. Bus station areas are generally very crowded and very, different level of world is going on there. Anyway, yeah. So we are close to our hotel. We walked, and by the way, the weather is cloudy, cool and cloudy, as we knew, as we were prepared. Look at the clouds. It's just clouds.
Okay.
Your destination.
Wow, beautiful. So our hotel also has rooftop. This beautiful rooftop. So we have time to check in. So before that we will enjoy this view and this rooftop. Then we leave from here.
It reminds me one of my stays in Thailand, wherein there was a rooftop like this, and I was doing yoga on the rooftop
Wow.
terrace, and also metro is there and the city view is there. Reminds me, I don't know why, it just reminded me that experience.
But yeah.
Yeah.